Chapter 15 The Hero. Learning Objectives. 1. To learn about the spirit of a hero. 2. To understand the spirit of unity. Rabindranath Tagore, 1861 to 1941, was born in Kolkata into a prominent family which took keen interest in literature and culture. He started writing poetry at the age of 8. He eventually became the first Asian to win the Nobel Prize in 1913. Tagore founded a school called Path Bhavna in 1901, which eventually expanded into Visva Bharati University at Santiniketan. Mother, let us imagine we are traveling and passing through a strange and dangerous country. You are riding in a palanquin and I am trotting by you on a red horse. It is evening and the sun goes down. The waste of Jora Dighi lies wan and grey before us. The land is desolate and barren. You are frightened and thinking, I know not where we have come to. I say to you, Mother, do not be afraid. The meadow is prickly with spiky grass, and through it runs a narrow broken path. There are no cattle to be seen in the wide field. They have gone to their village stalls. It grows dark and dim on the land and sky, and we cannot tell where we are going. Suddenly, you call me and ask me in a whisper, what lights is that near the bank? Just then, there burst out a fearful yell, and figures come running towards us. You said, crouch in your palanquin and repeat the names of the gods in prayer. The bearers, shaking in terror, hide themselves in the thorny bush. I shout to you, don't be afraid, Mother. I am here, with long sticks in their hands, and hair all wild about their heads. They come nearer and nearer. I shout, have a care, you villains. One step more, and you are dead, men. They gave another terrible yell and rush forward. You clutch my hand and say, dear boy, for heaven's sake, keep away from them. I say, Mother, just you watch me. Then I spur my horse for a wild gallop, and my sword and buckler clash against each other. The fight becomes so fearful, Mother, that it would give you a cold shudder. Could you see it from your palanquin? Many of them fly, and a great number are cut to pieces. I know you are thinking, sitting all by yourself, that your boy must be dead by this time. But I come to you, all stained with blood, and say, Mother, the fight is over now. You come and kiss me, pressing me to your heart, and you say to yourself, I don't know what I should do if I hadn't my boy to escort me. 1,000 useless things happened day after day, and why couldn't such a thing come true by chance? It would be like a story in a book. My brother would say, is it possible? I always thought he was so delicate. Our village people would all say in amazement, was it not lucky that the boy was with his mother? Rabindranath Tagore. Find meaning. Palanquin, covered or box-like carriage carried on poles on the shoulders of many people. Van, dark and gloomy. Fly, here, run away. Desolate, lonely. Escort, here, guard on a journey. Buckler, a round shield. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. 1. Who is the speaker in the poem? What information about the speaker can you find from the poem? Answer. Rabindranath Tagore is the speaker of the poem. In the poem, the speaker said that we should be brave people or children in our home. The words, don't be scared, be brave like a hero. 2. What is happening in the poem? Answer. The little boy in the poem imagines that he is passing through a strange and dangerous country with his mother. He is riding a red horse side by side with his mother's palanquin. Gradually, the sun sets and it becomes evening when they reach the desolate waste of Joradigi. 3. How do you think the boy's mother or father would react on hearing the boy's story? Answer. The mother is overjoyed to see her son alive. She hugs him. It is the dream of every boy to be a hero in the eyes of the world, especially his mother. He does not want the world to think that he is weak or delicate. He wants the world to acknowledge his bravery and valor. He has a faithful and sincere love for his mother, proved by his willingness to save her at the cost of his own life. It is this, says the poem, that transforms him into a real hero. 4. Give 2 reasons for his mother's fear. Answer: because a group of people attacked them with sticks in their hands. She did not want her son to fight with those people. The poet rides on his horse, takes out his sword, and cuts those villains into pieces. Number 5. Are the doors of the palanquin closed or open? Answer: the doors are open. 6. Describe the horse that the speaker was riding. Answer: the horse was red in color and he spurred his horse for a wild gallop. 7. How would the speaker's brother react if he heard about this incident? Answer: the boy expected that the villagers would be amazed to see his bravery and say that it was very lucky of him that his mother was with her son. 8. Describe the people who attack. Answer: on the way, it gets dark suddenly. They are attacked by dacoits, that is, bandits. 9. What was the result of the clash between them and the speaker? Answer: when the dacoits attacked, the speaker on his horse gallops towards them and they fight fiercely. Many of the dacoits run away in terror and many are cut into pieces by the speaker by the time the fight is over and the speaker is all over in blood. Find their meaning. 1. Delicate, easy to damage or break. 2. Palanquin, a big covered box like vehicle, usually a seat for one person. It is attached to poles and is carried on shoulders by 4 or 6 men. 3. 1. Looking pale and ill or tired. 4. Buckler, a small round shield held by a handle or worn on the forearm. 5. Fly, used about a bird, insect or aircraft to move through the air. 6. Escort, a person or group of persons accompanying another to give protection or as a courtesy. Fill in the blanks. 1. They are talking for over an hour before Rohit arrived. 2. What did for the last 30 minutes? 3. In November, we lived in Spain for 5 years. 4. Ashish looked for his book since Tuesday, but he has still not found it. 5. Amit dreamed about an adventure journey when mother woke him up. 6. Mr. Sharma teach for 2 years next August. Take the right options. 1. This poem showcases 2 qualities which heroes should have. 1. Courage and kindness. 2. Courage and bravery. 3. Humility and pride. Answer 1. Courage and kindness. 2. The summary of the poem depicts the journey of 1. Mother and son. 2. Father and son. 3. Daughter. Answer 1. Mother and son match the following. 1. Worn, dark and gloomy. 2. Desolate, lonely. 3. Buckler, a round shield. 4. Delicate, weak. Let's enjoy the poem. Think and answer. 1. How do you know that the incidents described only happen in the imagination of the boy? Why do you think the boy imagined such a dangerous situation? 2. Is this a real happening? Pick out words and phrases that support your answer.